Welcome to EcoLabyrinth. We are here to unravel the mysteries of sustainability for you. Sustainability, big term, I know that. So, before we even unravel the mysteries of sustainability, let's just focus on what sustainability even means. I'm your host, Flaviya, and let's dive into it. So, sustainability is made up of two words, that's sustain and ability. The definition of this word would be ability to sustain. In the context of this podcast, it would mean natural resources. It means the ability to sustain the natural world for ourselves and for the next generation. Let's assume that you have, for example, a box of chocolates. And now you have to share this box of chocolates with 30 people. The box is the only set of chocolate that you have left with, and you keep taking from it. But before you reach to the next person, your box is empty. So how do you make sure that everyone gets enough? The person is standing right in front of you and the person needs chocolate, but you don't have it. But the bigger question here would be, how do you make sure that the next person in the line would get? Now let's assume that this limited box of chocolates is natural resources. It's the same question that we face. How do we make sure that the next generation of people have enough to sustain themselves? We all need food and water to survive, right? While sunlight or wind do not end, other materials like soil or water get spoiled and polluted. We do not have endless supply of these things. So what do? We use sustainable methods. What are sustainable methods? Something for the future podcast. So let's come back to the first thing that I said. Sustainability means the ability to sustain the natural world for ourselves as well as for the future generation. But we do have to consider human society, right? And then its well-being too. So what sustainability should be well-rounded to include factors like money, society, and nature. This brings us to the three pillars of sustainability. That's economic, social, and environmental. We'll explain each one of them in our next episode. So stay tuned.